Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make kale smoothie that tastes good. Kale is a superfood, which means it is nutrient dense and has exceptional health benefits. But many people don't want to drink it because of its bitterness. I will show you how to soften its flavor by treating it first and then adding it to the right fruit combination. I've got a beautiful curly kale here. I've washed it well with water. When you wash, open all the curls to make sure it's getting clean. To de-stem, just flip the kale and pull it out of the stem. Then either chop it with a knife or just break it with your hands and soak it in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. This step is to bring out the chemical compounds responsible for the bitter flavor. If you're in a rush, just rub the leaves between your palm for 2 minutes and wash it one more time. It will give the same result. Now let's take it out of the water and put it into the blender. First we will make kale, banana and blueberry smoothie. I'm adding half a banana to this. Half cup of blueberries. Half cup yogurt and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Now let's blend it until smooth. Bananas and blueberries give a creamy texture to the smoothie. Next one is my favorite, kale and avocado smoothie. I've taken 2 handfuls of kale. I'm adding 1 small avocado to this. If you have a bigger one, just add half of it. 1 teaspoon vanilla essence to enhance the flavor of avocado. And finally, 1 glass freshly squeezed coconut milk. If you don't have access to fresh coconut, then you can use the canned one too. If you want this to be sweet, you can add a little bit of sugar to this. And trust me, this tastes like ice cream. The last one is kale, kiwi and mango smoothie. I'm cutting 1 kiwi for this. I will add 2 handfuls of kale and kiwi to the blender. Let's also add 1 sweet mango. The mango will add to the creaminess and sweetness. For the liquid, I'm using some tender coconut water. You can certainly go with the canned one if you don't have the fresh one. I will add both water and meat of the tender coconut. Adding honey to this will boost the flavor of tender coconut. You need to try it out to see how sweet and creamy this smoothie is. With these delicious recipes, no more saying no to kale. Follow for more videos.